Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Audi A4 fog light grille. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a plastic trim removal tool to protect your car's finish, along with a T25 Torx screwdriver for the fasteners. A clean cloth is also helpful for keeping things tidy. Make sure you're working in a well-lit area to clearly see all the components. Having the right equipment makes the job much smoother and prevents accidental damage. Now, let's get started on accessing the grille. Begin by turning off your car's engine and removing the key for safety. Locate the fog light grille on the front bumper. Using your plastic trim removal tool, gently insert it into the gap around the grille's edge. Apply steady, even pressure to carefully pry the grille away. This initial step requires patience to avoid scratching your bumper. With the grille partially dislodged, it's time to remove the fasteners. You'll notice several Torx screws holding the grille in place. Take your T25 Torx screwdriver and carefully loosen each screw. It's a good idea to keep these screws in a small container so they don't get lost. Once all screws are removed, you can gently pull the entire grille assembly away from the bumper. Be mindful of any attached wiring. Finally, let's talk about reinstallation and care. Before putting the grille back, quickly inspect it for any dirt or damage. Carefully align the grille with its opening on the bumper, ensuring all clips and tabs are correctly positioned. Gently push it into place, then reinsert and tighten all the Torx screws using your T25 screwdriver. Don't over-tighten. Once secure, test your fog lights to confirm everything works correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.